in Wisconsin.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Let's find room 527. Hi guys. So my name's Adriana, and we're gonna review Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek. Follow me. What I like about these is that they have a full kitchen. They have heating right here on the counter. Then they have like a full table so we can have meals together, which is awesome. Let's go find that one out. All right, let's go look at the master bedroom. So there's a king size bed. Oh, look at this view. There's a jetted tub, a safe. We have a shower separately from the jetted tub, which is awesome. So this is a 2-bedroom deluxe, so it has 2 bedrooms. You just saw the master suite, and this has 2 queen size beds, and as you can see, a shared bathroom. And we have a washer and a dryer, and you can continue to ask for the laundry detergent in the front if this is not enough for you. Although I brought my own laundry detergent, it's just whatever you guys prefer. They're pretty good.
They're clean.
They're clean. And this is a pull-up couch. Probably both of our girls are gonna be sleeping there. So overall, we've stayed in Wyndham's twice already, and we think that it's a good bang for your buck. They're nice and clean. They have a lot of perks, free parking, which is a big plus in Florida. So give it a try, guys. I was looking for videos that showed me stuff like this to let me make my final decision. I say just go for it, give it a try. I don't know how much better it can get from here. It's a 10-minute drive to Epcot. There's a lot of restaurants that are around it. There's restaurants in the building, and we'll be showing some of them to you guys. There's water parks, and the water parks are open till 10 p.m., which is a big plus if you want to try to get some pools in before you go to sleep, if you have a kid like I do.